The amount of money you're going to spend to hunt Alaska for any animal boils down to one word: comfortability. Yeah, I see you. You guys are going, what? Yeah, it boils down to comfortability. How comfortable do you want to be on your hunt? It's that simple. What does that mean, you're thinking? Well, if you are the kind of person that doesn't want to plan, wants someone to hold your hand, wants someone to tell you where to go, not only that, take you where to go, then you're looking at a guide. You're looking at no less than $30,000 for a one-time, maybe 7 to 10 day hunt, and it's gone. And don't get me wrong, there's some incredible guides in Alaska. I have some personal friends that are outfitters. So what's the next comfortability? Well, okay, you don't know where to go. You just want someone to drop you off. And you're relying on them for your success. And they're relying on the federal laws that dictate that they can't even consider your success. That's right. Federal aviation law says they cannot even consider how successful you could be in a given area. And that's your comfortability. You just want to be dropped off, hopefully in a good area. That's going to cost you no less than $10,000 to $15,000. Simple math, guys. This is not, I'm not re-engineering the wheel here. This is the facts. Now that we're not talking about animals that you have to have a guide with. Now we're talking about going hunting for moose and caribou and black bears where non-residents can hunt as well. And now it comes down to comfortability again. Well, now you're scratching your head thinking, all right, man, you've blown my mind. What else? Well, what kind of a boat do you want to have? You can conceivably hunt Alaska with a canoe or a raft. Conceivably from the road system, and you're going to run into moose, bears, and caribou. Flat out. If you know where to go. And that's going to cost you under $3,500, right around $3,500, right? Pretty dirt cheap. And your comfortability is you put on a hat, a jacket, hopefully some rain gear, get a canoe, rent a canoe or a raft, get a motor, same thing, jump in your vehicle, rent a U-Haul, boom. Conceivably under $3,500, all right? And then I can show you how to make that even cheaper. Before I go into this even further, anybody that wants to get into my Elite Hunter Strategy group, just DM me or send me a message on Facebook. I'm all over the place nowadays, YouTube. And I'll get back with you with the link, and you can join the group where we talk about these things every week, once a week in the Elite Hunter Strategy group. I don't think I'm the only one that's doing it. I don't know anybody else doing it. So you're invited. Okay, let's get back into more comfortability. Okay, so now let's say you got some dinero, your pocketbook and your wallet are pretty heavy, and you don't want to be, you want to have the comforts. Maybe you're wanting to have a boat that your wife can go with you on, and so now you're not looking at, but you want a jet boat, or that kind of a boat. Do you get a center console? Do you want to get a full console with windows and windshield wipers and maybe a heater between your leg that's already built into the boat? All about money. How comfortable do you want to be? It's this simple, guys. And do you want to be, I've had boats where I had a center console and I dressed up and I put a helmet on. I even had full headgear on and goggles, and I was chopping ice with the prop, and I loved it. I loved it because I couldn't afford much at the time. So I bought a center console on John boat, and we killed moose every year. And then I bought a really nice boat, a full console, full canopy, had a heater in between my legs. I had plugged in head jacks for me and my buddies. We both had, me and my wife and my buddies, we both had headphones and we had mics, and because we can talk over the roar of the motor. Now I was looking at 30 grand. But back then, same boat now costs about 60. Comfort, ability, guys. That's what it's all about. Nothing changes. Comfortability. That's what it's about, guys. If you want to know more, you want to get into the programs, want me to teach you how to find locations, teach you to find locations, and teach you the concept of building a strategy that you can hunt with, that you can't unlearn this stuff. Usually I have that link in the comments or up in the intro. You can always DM me. It's all good. I love talking hunting. So I look forward to seeing you all. I hope this kind of blew your mind a little bit. And but yeah, I've been thinking about it. It all boils down to comfortability and how much you want to spend with somebody or yourself. I build lifetime plans, you guys. You want some of that? Get a hold of me. God bless. Take care. I am opening up an Alaska Inner Circle mastermind group. Oh, did I mention that I'm only going to allow 5 people into this circle? 5 serious hunters. This is Alaska Inner Circle for elite members. It doesn't get any higher than this. And I'm going to hand pick you individually. So if you're serious, down in the comment section, say, I'm serious about this. I want to do this. DM me, put those in the comments. I'll send you a link where you can take my assessment that I will go over and handpick 5 lucky individuals to join me in this elite hunters strategy group. And 6 are elite locations that we will come up with together. And this is how I've been doing this for 30 years and why I've been so lucky to have harvested so many giant animals in Alaska. I can't wait to share it with all of you guys.